Hey guys, greetings from Alani.
We made it.
We made it. It was quite a day yesterday.
Definitely, for sure.
Basically, the last 3 days have been ridiculous. We kind of have been moving, and it's like been one long day of a lot of moving, and then we went to Warp Tour. We like missed the first day because we were doing moving, and then we did like moving and then Warp Tour and then back to moving. We were moving till like 4 a.m. and we had like our plane for Alani was boarding at 5:30 a.m. and we hadn't packed yet. So we went into that, and then
Packed in 20 minutes and somehow we overpacked.
yeah, we just throw stuff in the suitcase, like that's it. Just toss it in there. Then we it did not look like we were going to make the flight, and every factor was working against us, and the doors closed as I got there. Like literally, we missed it by like 10 seconds. It was so disappointing because we were so exhausted and we're really looking forward to this. And then like the doors closed and we're just like, how are we going to get there now?
And we've never missed the flight.
We've never missed a flight. So that was our first time missing a flight. So it was a little devastating. But then it worked out because they put us on the next flight, which literally boarded like 20 minutes later.
Shout out to Delta.
Shout out to Delta, honestly, that was great. They gave us free snacks while we were waiting for it. And then we still made our connection because we had 2 hours. So even though it was like a little bit later, we still had enough time to make our connection
like
in Atlanta.
45 minutes or something.
Yeah. And then, so that was like a long flight, which was good to like get some sleep. Not enough sleep, because we've not had enough sleep over the last few days. Anyway, we then got here yesterday, and I don't know, it's like, I just have like a bunch of random clips, so it's kind of like, I guess, here's us at Warped Tour. Like this is like 12 hours before the flight or something like that. Whatever it was.
8 hours?
8 hours. I don't know. It's all like a blur at this point, but like, I don't know. Maybe I'll just like toss in like some random clips here of like some stuff that I filmed yesterday. We did the DVC member celebration.
Goofy! Help him out, help him out. Whoa, how's it going, Goof? I love the outfit. Nice to see you, pal. Hey, nice. Now, the only Mickey Mouse! The boss man himself. How's it going, Mickey? Nice to see you. All right, well, all our pals here are at the joint. Now, hey, friends, get ready, warmed up and dancing. But
That was, fine. Like character dance party, kind of like Moonlight Magic. We got some cool like kukui nut necklaces I should be wearing right now, but what did we do? We did some pin trading. We checked out the stores.
We got into the room.
We got into the room. I'll show off the room at some point.
Then we went to Costco.
Yeah, went to Costco and Target just get some supplies. Went to Jack in the Box. That's always a good time. And
you are just mine alone. There'll be no one in your place.
yeah, it was.
Knocked out.
Yeah, then we absolutely passed out. Finally caught up on some sleep. We're feeling pretty okay today. So we
We woke up bright and early, 6:30.
yeah, we got our drink cups,
Got our new cups.
our new cups.
Re-up.
So unlimited refills with that. Fantastic for drinks and coffee and everything. We're gonna go to the ABC Island County Market that's across the street. Maybe I shouldn't have said that because it's a little secret, but
I think it's not that much of a secret.
I know it's not that much of a secret, but it's a great place to get food. We'll get some breakfast there, And then I don't know. We're probably gonna spend most of the day here at the resort, but we want to check out some things. What's it called? Don Donkey.
Yeah, Don Donkey.
Yeah, apparently that's a really cool store, like straight from Japan, that we saw last night as we passed by it. So we're gonna check that out. I don't know. Maybe get some more supplies. We need sunscreen, definitely.
Yeah.
We forgot that last night because again we're
Maybe
just
maybe some
so
Tylenol,
exhausted.
because spoiler alert, we're going someplace else after Alani.
Yes, that'll be coming next. This is a combined trip, Alani and something else. So I don't know. It's gonna look stupid if I put it in the title, but maybe I'll just leave it a mystery. But anyway, that's it for the opening. We'll get the room tour at some point, but we gotta go get breakfast. So I don't know. I'll film when it feels right.
But look at the view.
Yeah, I mean, just check out the view. Like this is
There's a poolside
pool island view or whatever. This is what we always get. Like, we could do ocean view, but I like this way more. I want to be able to see out this, because ocean view, you might not be able to. You might be seeing the parking lot, like you can see the ocean, but you're seeing like the parking lot,
Yeah,
or like the
the
hills or something, or
mountains.
the mountains. I'd rather see the interior of the resort, so we always go for this view. And
It's never failed us.
yeah, Mickey's being down there. If you can see, I'm still doing this in like selfie, and this is like very not recommended, but Mickey's being down there for the breakfast. Yeah, but yeah, here we are at Alani. We're back again. It's our third time here. Haven't been here since 2022, and we're gonna go have a great trip. Yeah, so Alani's right here, and then basically you just can walk across the street over there. That's the ABC Island County Market, and a bunch of other restaurants and shops over here as well. All right, here we are. Here's their menu. Just getting a 3-cheese omelet for breakfast. And I actually really like the New York steak here. It's you know, not the most amazing, but I'm kind of like, it went up in price. It used to be like $11, and you would get a steak with a choice of 2 sides. So it'll be like steak, rice, mashed potatoes. I'm like, for $11, that's pretty good. It's still totally fine at 17 for Hawaii and being across the street from Disney. But anyway, here it is. So it's like a 10-minute wait for breakfast, and we can just kind of browse around. You have a bunch of like snacks and food and everything you can get. A bunch of alcohol over there, and then just like a bunch of like, you know, either gifts or, you know, snorkel supplies, shirts, flip-flops, basically anything you need, you can get all over here. Very big store. The little birdie's joining us for breakfast, but we got
I got an avocado BLT.
okay, avocado BLT omelet with the rice, with the double rice scoop.
Yep.
And then I went a little bit more plain, just the 3-cheese omelet with potatoes. And we just brought it back to Alani just to, you know, we got the drinks right here, and the view, and the vibes, and the birds. Oh, we got Jeff flying over. Just got it. Is there another one? It's hard to tell with the sound. If it was just the one or another one's coming. I think that was it. That was cool. Here we are at Don Donkey. It is about 10 minutes from the resort, so not too bad. And this is also pretty much where around where Target and Costco is. So we gotta pick up some more stuff that we forgot last night because we were so exhausted. Let's go check this out. Oh, they have food here too? Oh, you can like eat out there, yeah. I see like sushi and everything, so yeah, let's check it out. All right, so they have some food places right here, Wagyu Sushi. And then sushi restaurant, fresh rice. I love the facades on the outside here. And there's a giant eating area and some walls over there.
There's a little selfie with the Don Donkey background.
Yeah, they got some selfie walls, and then like the main. Oh, I just see like so much colorful stuff that this is going to be dangerous for me. Let's go. So in this front section here, you have a lot of, a lot of snacks, and I think this is Steph's area. She's looking all. I'm like, I got to save my processing power for looking at whatever else is here. I'm not particularly interested in the snacks. I mean, you know, if there's something that looks fun, I might be tempted. Like, what's this? Melon flavor, sweetbread. Neat. But yeah, I'm kind of like, I'm going to get very overwhelmed very quickly if I look at the food too. So this place is absolutely massive, and there's a lot of just like, I mean, there's everything. Like cards, flowers, hair care, laundry. I love all the signs with the penguins. So there's really just so much stuff here. But honestly, the section I was looking forward to, like I guess the toy section, Honestly, smaller than I thought it would be. So I'll go check that out. But the rest of this, I don't really need to check out right now. So overwhelmed and kind of freaking out right now. I could spend so many hours here. No. Okay. Oh no. This. Oh no. Yeah, like so many things here I've been looking at online, either to like find it can't be shipped, or like just find a store that has it, or even like a store that has like a bunch of Japanese stuff. I actually just got some of these like nanoblock things for Dragon Ball Z. But like, I saw this one earlier in the trip, the Lugia one. Definitely want that one. The Charizard one's ridiculous. Kind of want Gengar too, but I mean, they have Gengar too. And what is it? It's like 15. Oh no.
I also have Articuno. That one's pretty cool.
Articuno? Oh, that's a cool one. That is a cool one.
It's only 15.
Oh,
And they have Moltres too.
wait, they Zapdos too. That'll be awesome if I can get Lugia and then the legendary bird since they go together. But
I don't think they have Zapdos.
well, I don't have to get everything at once. You know, can always get like a couple things here and then other things in the future. Pichu? Yeah. And then Summer's like so tiny. Like look at Dratini. It's so tiny back there. Lapras? Is that up there? No. Yeah, Lapras is cool too. Oh, it's.
I got this Don Don Donkey song going.
Oh, they have their own theme song? That's incredible. It sounds like sounds like We Love Katamari. I can't believe I've never heard of it before. I'm a poser, I guess. The guy? Wasn't it a guy though?
Yeah, but that's what it's called.
Okay. Got it. I'm not as into Gundam. So there's a lot of Gundam stuff here that I'm not necessarily into, but like I did see. Oh, there's some more. Wait, oh, there's the Rayquaza model. Oh, so here's some more of the models, right? Yeah, out of stock Rayquaza. The Rayquaza looks incredible. They had Arceus too?
No, they had it.
It says as. Oh, wait. No, they had it. I'm losing my mind here. I am losing my mind. But no, they have the. Literally, look, they have. What's up? Magikarp?
It's out of stock.
Oh, he is massive. Like they have Omnimon. Oh, it's the antibody one. I don't like antibody, but like I've been looking at that recently and like. I'm sorry, anyone that watched this because it was a Disney video. This is taking a huge detour right now, but like, if you're also into this stuff, there you go. But like, the Digimon stuff and like the Dragon Ball Z stuff and the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff, I'm walking circles here. Like, I need to lie down. This entire section for Sanrio, not my particular thing, but man, they have it's just impressive, honestly. It's just impressive how much they have for it. So even though like, yeah, like the toys, section is like small, it's like, there's a lot here. I have to really limit myself and maybe get like one or two things and that's it. So like, I see this, I'm like, oh, the Exodia model kit. I've seen that online. It's $80, which I think is pretty much like a good standard price. I also have Obelisk. I can't, again, it's so big and I've seen it, so it's like I'm really trying to like do something like I've never seen before, and like it just clicks, It's just like something that just clicks. That's like, yes, get this. You haven't seen this, just get it. So, as much as I would love to do something like this, I'm still looking. I'll find something. I will definitely find something. I'm almost done. I'll have some more Pokemon stuff up here. I want to show off some more stuff because I feel like I'm not showing off enough considering how much stuff is actually here. But like, oh, look at all the like chibi Godzilla things.
It's crazy how a supermarket has all these toys. It's kind of like a Target, like a Japanese Target.
Yeah, I mean
It has everything.
Yeah, they had to have a section like this, of course, with everything they have. What is that? That is insane looking. I wonder if that's the thing over here with the wings firing off. Is that the same one? I don't know. Or no, it's got like the blades coming out. Wait, I saw it somewhere else. Wait, was that up here? This is gonna look terrible in the video, by the way, but I don't care. Oh, this is $259 for this thing.
That thing is massive. This one's $341.
$341? That's crazy. Again, I'm glad I'm not into Gundam, no offense, but like it's too much. It's too expensive and there's too many things. Oh, look at the rooster with the babies posed on the shopping cart return. as we leave the store. I'll show my haul in a second, but that's so funny. All right, so I severely restrained myself, and this was my haul. I think I did a pretty good job restraining myself because honestly, these are kind of cheap. I mean, like Rayquaza was like, was it 25 or 35? I think like 25. Ho-Oh was only like 13 or something. Arceus Ultra is around the same or something, I don't know. But what was cool is I've seen Lugia. Lugia wasn't there, but I've seen Lugia at the ABC store. So I want to get Lugia there. And then I just had to get Zapdos. I have Lugia and all the birds. And then I do already have the Lugia model kit. So then Ho-Oh and Lugia, that's also cool. But then Rayquaza, I mean, Rayquaza, I don't know. I feel like I never say it properly. But yeah, that's my haul. Spent like $100 or whatever. Not a big deal. And it's mostly going to be having to pack this stuff along with all the R stuff. All right, so we just did pin trading hour at the Lava Shack, and that worked out very well for us. Got this little mini mix at Mickey, Dapper Dan's Castle, the Lumiere D, and the Morph Plush. I've been wanting the Morph Plush, really. And then the rest were, well, these two, like, Disneyland ones. And I guess Mickey isn't, so, like, yeah. Always go for the Disneyland exclusive ones that more rarely end up at Disney World. So, yeah, that was successful. We're gonna see what we do next. They do a bunch of these, like three every day pin trading hour that has a really good board. I totally forgot to film it. Maybe I'll film the next one. Yeah, let's go see what we're gonna do next. We had chipmunks right in front of the volcano. Everyone coming by on the lazy river. And now we're gonna go film. Now we're gonna go meet Chili Bay. All right. I was just gonna say the characters are still meeting in the full-on rain, but now I see. Yeah, no, that was a little bit too much. Stitch is going inside. All right, bye Stitch. That is unfortunate because look at the line that Stitch had. Look at that. Wow. Oh, they're all following him inside. That's so funny to see. Which line is Max? Oh, that's for Max? No, it's for Stitch. It's one long line for Stitch. Look at that. That's crazy. And it's like one big Congo party. They're all just following him in. Wow. Yeah, someone else is meeting over there, but have we seen rain here? It rained a bunch on it's rained like on every one of our trips. It's a pleasant rain. I mean, it's nice to just like chill here, eat or drink stuff on the balcony, watch the rain. Like this is, even when it rains here, it's pleasant. Oh, there's Pluto. Hi, Pluto. Yeah, he's got his own little party heading inside right now. Oh, there he goes. He's like, I don't know where to go. He's like, all right, high fives. And then get dry. Oh man, that's funny. Just checking out the store right now. We've been on the hunt for a Olumel lug bag that they have not restocked. Any luck? No?
Well, I just want to show you something real fast.
Okay, what do you see?
That shirt, the one I like, the Mickey, they have an extra one.
With the Mickey?
Yeah, the one right there.
Oh, the one with in between the Alani logo?
No, they don't have that one. The one with this person's logo.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. I don't know what just happened. We just went on a whirlwind shopping spree. We got some gifts, but also some stuff for us. Is there a picture of it on here? Oh, it's like a tiki mug. That's like the Alani building. We got a bunch of shirts. Like the Welcome to Alani one. This is just terrible. I'll just do the haul later to actually like show this stuff off. Hey Max, good to see you, buddy. All right, we have dinner now. Grilled cheese, fries, some dumplings that are gone now. That's okay. Steak, mashed potatoes. 3 scoops, yeah.
That's a lot of mashed potatoes.
So we did another. Because I guess I could have gotten rice as one of the scoops, and then just got more mashed potatoes. Whatever, I don't care. Anyway, yeah, we went to the Island County Market after spending like all day, not all day, a few hours in the lazy river. We did the slide. We did the hot tub for a while. We watched the sunset. Didn't have our phone for any of it, so that's why there's no footage. But yeah, we're eating dinner now, and maybe some more hot tub time. We'll see.